Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring devc++ is installed and you have a config backup. This protects preferences if something breaks. Once done, open the IDE and navigate to Tools or Settings to find editor colors. Make sure you know where the config file lives on your system so you can restore defaults if needed. You'll change colors manually or import a theme, so having the files and a backup first saves time and prevents data loss. You now change the editor palette. Open the Editor Colors panel and set the background darker for contrast. Once set, adjust syntax highlights, keywords, strings, comments, so readability improves. Choose muted accents and high contrast text. Make sure to edit gutter, line numbers, and selection colors too, because inconsistent UI bits break immersion. After fine-tuning, import or save the theme as a custom profile so you can revert or share it later. You finish by restarting devc++ to ensure all UI elements pick up the new palette. Some components only load on start. Then open several projects and file types to verify syntax, dialogues, and tool windows maintain contrast and legibility. If something looks off, check your saved profile or re-import the theme. If problems persist, restore the config backup you made earlier and try tweaking one setting at a time to isolate the issue. One troubleshooting tip: reset the theme and reapply changes stepwise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.